Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off passcode lock on Google Pixel 8 Pro. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, tap the gear icon to open up the settings on your device. This will give you access to all the configuration options for your Pixel 8 Pro. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Security and Privacy and tap on it. This section contains all the security features for your phone, including screen locks, biometric settings, and privacy controls. Next, look for and tap on Device Unlock. This is where you manage how your phone is unlocked, whether it's through a passcode, pattern, fingerprint, or face unlock. Now tap on Screen Lock. This option controls the specific method used to secure your device when it's locked. It's the main setting that determines whether you need a passcode to access your phone. At this point, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. Go ahead and input your current passcode to confirm it's really you making this change. This security step prevents unauthorized users from removing your lock screen protection. After entering your passcode, you'll see a list of available lock screen options. Tap on None to remove the passcode lock entirely. By selecting this option, you're telling your phone that you no longer want any security barrier when waking up your device. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the screen lock. This is an important security warning, as removing your passcode means anyone can access your phone without restriction. Tap Delete to confirm your choice and finalize the removal of your passcode lock, and that's it. You've successfully removed the passcode lock from your Google Pixel 8 Pro, and your phone will now wake up without requiring any authentication. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.